These aren't mindset problems. They're structural ones, and each one has a ceiling built in it. If you are already making 25K a month, like, you're not somebody that needs hoo-hoo, rah-rah motivational speech, right? But here's what is actually happening. When you're posting without a funnel architecture, content goes up, views come in, but nothing converts because there's no design path from a video to DM to a call, right? Or whatever funnel you're running, webinar, whatever it is. Awareness content and conversion content are the same piece. You're combining stuff because you don't know the difference. They can't do both jobs, right? Awareness content and conversion content cannot be mixed, right? It can't be in one. But if you don't know what the difference is, it's going to be tough. Creating content based on what feels right? There's no ICP filter. There's no belief shift sequences in your content. There's no weekly intent. You post what's on your mind. That's the common one. I'm going to do the Gary Vee strategy. I'm going to blog. I'm going to document my work. Nobody cares. That strategy doesn't care. Nobody cares about that strategy. People want to see that you can help them. Okay. And you documenting your work means absolutely nothing to your ideal buyer. And that's not what moves a buyer from problem aware to solution ready. All right. The algorithm doesn't know who you serve. So document your work all you want to. It's not going to get you in the clients. Treating all content as equal. Top of funnel and middle of funnel, tofu and mofu content have completely different jobs. DIY coaches batch create without separating reach content from conversion content, and the result ends up being more views, zero buyers. It's also probably not a weekly adjustment protocol. So what worked last month probably is not going to work this month. DIY coaches don't review performance, they don't recreate winners, and they don't kill losers. They just keep creating new content hoping something sticks. That's not what we do over here. In our business, in our done for you service, not only do we script, edit, optimize for you, but we also have weekly audits where I break down the business owner's content through internal sheet that we have, essentially breaking down everything through Loom. CTA that doesn't match the audience temperature. Asking cold traffic, literally cold traffic also means like a regular video to book a call. It's like proposing on a first date. Every piece of content needs a stage appropriate CTA. DIY coaches use one CTA for every piece of content, every audience temperature, right? you like, okay, I'm gonna have this one CTA to book a call. I'm gonna have this one CTA to do this, and I'm gonna just post it on all my videos.